Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I'm going to do an unboxing. I ordered this during the Black Friday and so yeah, I wanted to do a true unboxing for you guys. I just got it in the mail. I just got the package today, and so I'm really excited of how it's going to look. And so yeah, let's see how this is. This is the bag. It's a Coach bag. I ordered it. This is the envelope with the receipt and return in case I want to return it. Hopefully everything looks good and I don't have to return it. So this is the bag. This is the envelope where there's the receipt inside, and this is the Selena. So yeah, I'm so excited because this is my first ever Selena. Well, I'm so excited because this is my first ever Coach handbag, and so yeah, I ordered this, like I said, during Black Friday, and this is part of the Selena collection. I think it's limited edition, and this is the Trail bag. So yeah, let's open it up to see how the bag looks. Hopefully everything looks good so that I don't have to return it, but yeah. So this is the bag, and it looks so cute. Oh, and it does have a dust bag. I almost was afraid that it didn't come with the dust bag, but this is the little Coach dust bag. And so I'm just gonna take everything off, and then I'll come back and show you how the bag looks when everything's off of it, because it's packed really good. As you guys can see, this is packed. It has the little charm. Like, everything's packed there really nicely. I'm really impressed by the packaging. But yeah, it's such a pretty, cute little bag. I could not pass up on this. So yeah, let me cut and take all this plastic off, and then just come back and show you guys how the bag looks. So yeah, this is how the bag looks. It's so cute. So this is the bag. This is the Selena collection. It's called the Trail bag, and I saw it during Black Friday on the Coach, and I just could not resist. It was such a cute and girly bag. I had to get it. Plus, the deal was fantastic. It retailed, well, the sale was for $147. So it was at least 50% off. But yeah, I like it. In the back it has like this a written saying by Selena. I don't know, you can't really see it that well because of my lighting in the camera, but there it is. But it's such a cute and girly bag. Like, oh my god. And then the inside, I like it that it's not and then this is the interior of the bag, and I like that it's a dark color so you don't really see dirt or anything inside, because a lot of times I've noticed that when a bag is like a light color, they tend to make the interior of the bag light as well. But this one, I really like that it's a deeper color. This is my first ever Coach handbag, and I'm really excited. I really love this bag. It's such a pretty pink color, girly pink, fun bag. Love it so much. Girly. I just love being a girl. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video, guys. Bye. Happy holidays as well. Bye.